next payment gateway is PayUmoney, which is also known by the PayUBiz. Formerly, in short, we also call as a PayU, and formerly is known as a PayUmoney. Accept online payments with minimal development effort and easy sign up and quick onboarding process. Start accepting payments securely and seamlessly within minutes. I hope, yeah. Usually you can set up the account, you can submit it, and then you can start collecting the money with our 100% online hassle-free onboarding process. Obviously, it's an onboarding process and it's 100% online. Means easily you can submit your all the documents and everything online, and they will verify, and then you can start getting money on your website. Okay, so let's see about some key feature of the payment gateway, means how much they are charged and all the service charges we'll talk about here. So setup charges again 0, annual maintenance charges 0 again, and transaction fee here it is again 2% plus GST for each transaction, like debit card, credit card, net banking, wallet, etc. They are just charged 2% plus GST. Where we'll see some of the payment gateways, they have a different charge on debit card, credit card, and net banking, and wallet, and UPI. So when the payment Paytm will come, where we'll see lot of variance about that. And then again for the for American Express, Dinar credit card, some for international credit card, how much they are charging is they are charging 3% plus GST. Again, this is lesser than what we call CC Avenue, as well as lesser than this cash free, but okay, so it has also EMI on the EMI also. So they are for international transactions, they are charging 3% plus GST, and for the EMI they are charging EMI payment options, they are charging 3% plus GST. Okay, so they are only charging 2% plus GST on net banking, wallet system, and credit card, Indian domestic credit card, and the Indian debit card. Okay, and for the foreigner and foreign or international payment international payment, and for the EMI they are charging 3% plus 18% GST. Okay, so let's see about some key feature of the PayUmoney, and here it is. So supports international payment gateway payments. Again, it supports the international credit card, where we'll see in the some other payment gateway they don't support the international credit cards and all, or you have to request personally, and then they will allow you to collect payment from through international payment cards and all. In that case, you may lose business if you have customers from foreign and all. If you only from India and you want to set up the payment gateway, you no need to worry about the international payment gateway. But in future, if you want to establish your business in the foreign countries, in that case you must have a proper plan about the payment gateway. Okay, so they supports international payment gateway, and credit card supports. Okay, yeah, they support the Visa, Mastercard, Dinar and Amex, and support multi-currency. Again, it also support the multi-currency, but they have not given the data how many currencies they support. I have to go in detail, but for information, definitely they are supporting some popular currencies and all, like dollars, USD, or you can talk about the pound, or you can talk about the euros and all. So popular currencies will be there. Withdrawal fees, again that money withdrawal fee from their account is 0, and settlement day is transaction day plus 2 days. So it total, I think is the total means somebody paying by today. So today plus again next 2 working days, like tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 3rd working days you are going to get payment in your account. So this is again 3 days, but it's okay. Some of the payment gateways will take 2 days, 3 days time. It's okay, you can go with this. So again, we'll talk about the customer supports. They don't have a proper chat support. I think they don't have a call support even. If you have not connected, you have not written any mail and all, and the mail they reply very late. It's my experience. I don't know about the others case, but in my experience, I have seen that whenever you are uploading your document, some KYCs and all on their online portal, and if it gets rejected somehow, it gets rejected, some reasons and all, like cancel check is not good on something is okay, then that is not supporting to their policies and all. So they will just reject, and whenever you are writing mail and all, you are raising a query and all, they have given option to raise a ticket, that ticket will be also respond very late, and then this kind of things happen. So in that case, you may have a lot of hassles, or you may get frustrated about their supports. If everything is fine, you are lucky, your payment gateways get, so get approval, documents are, KYC is done without any problem, so it's fine, it's okay. But in some cases your transaction stuck and got stuck and all. In that case, if you don't have a proper customer support, so this is really bad and bad. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to we have to wait for that. So let them reply, and I don't know how much time they will take to reply. They never reply within 24 hours. I think they take more than, because I have seen with the 3-4 customers, 3-4 my clients who has hustled, they have hustled lot, they suffered lot about with this payment gateway, and finally they moved to another payment gateway. So I'm not demotivating you to don't use this payment gateway. In some cases also they approve that payment your KYC, they complete your KYC, and your account will be live. But in some scenario, some rare case, if somehow your transaction is going to stuck, or your account is not able to live, in that case I don't think they have a proper support. So let's okay, it's fine, no issue. So this is up to you. This is my my feedback. So if you want a better support, so in that case, if you want immediate support, in that case you can go for the other payment gateway. Okay, again it also supports this payment gateway, PayUmoney also have an option of plugins. So you may have if your website running on WordPress, WooCommerce, so they have a plugin for that. Shopify, they have a plugin, and they have a if anyhow you are going to connect with their agent, and after that there won't be any problem with supports, I think. But I have not yet got any connection with the agents and all. And that especially in this payment gateway, I have mentioned disadvantages, and that is no proper customer support.